Ever come to your car and it just won't start and there's nobody around to give you a helping hand? What I have here is a very interesting product that's been on the market in many different shapes and forms. Those big power boosters. This is Povasi. It's a jump start. I just went out to the car, giving this a shot. It works just fine. What you get is the jumper cables, USB Type-C, and a 12-volt adapter. My battery always drains, so I leave it off. I'm putting a kill switch remote on. So what I am going to do is show you how this will work. These cables will get warm when this starts to work. So I'm going to put one end over the terminal, the other end over the negative terminal. The unit has an off and on switch. If I turn it on, you'll see the lights over here. They are blue. If I long press this, I have the light coming on, a rapid flash, and press it again, SOS, and again to shut that off. This is where I'm going to put in for the jump start cables. I love black on black lettering. You have USB cables, Type-C, and the 12-volt adapter. So let's start the car, because that's what we want to see this do. This has two different plugs. The flat end, you're going to match up like for like. This is going to blink simultaneously two colors when I plug it in. It blinks green, telling me we're ready to go. I'm going to start my car remotely. If the unit fails to work, it will tell you in red. We disconnect, we shut it off, we pull off. Now we are going to reset it. You can see it blinking simultaneously. And we're going to try one more time. The car will start. Like I said, the unit will get warm when it starts a number of times. My car is old and needed to get a little gas on the pedal in order for it to run. But there you have it. Just disconnect, shut off, and you got 60 restarts on this unit. You got a 20,000 to 30,000 milliamps. You got an excellent power bank to do just about anything. So if you want to put a camera to this and do time lapses, long videos, you want to run a little refrigerator, you want to boost your car, have some backup power on those extreme cold days or extreme heat days, and you're not worried about breaking down, this is what you want to get. A battery booster. Lithium batteries, they do a great job indeed. It's not a large unit. It's a nice size unit. And it comes with a nice case. So yeah, I wish this flap was a little stiffer, a little deeper. Close it up. Put it in the trunk of your car so the next time you're ready to start your car up and it doesn't start, you have a power bank for your needs. I hope this was something that you'll be interested in getting one of these boosters.